This is a live kitten birth. What we are witnessing now is the mama cat, Miss Amberlyn Jade, cleaning and removing any bits of umbilical cord that are still attached to the last baby she had. At the moment, one is still in the chamber and is about to be pushed out at any moment. In that time, please take a second to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell for the notifications icon so you are notified when we post new awesome content like this. There are 3 healthy cubbies out so far, and we are expecting a total of between 6 and 8 very healthy, beautiful kittens. Here comes baby number 4 as we speak. Mama just wants to take a little extra time making sure that baby number 3 has found a nipple and is attached. Checks baby number 2 and looks to see that baby number 1 is also attached. Now she's going to push out the 4th baby. Here she comes. Now the baby is already out, but I'm not going to intervene. In this moment, we're just simply going to leave the umbilical cord and the amniotic sac attached to the kitten. We will let the mother do all of the job of waking the kitten up, giving him his first breath, his first licks, and she will cut the cord when she decides that the time is right. A lot of you might be wondering, what kind of kittens are these right now? These are a high percent F2 wild hybrid. These are actually called Jambi tigers. They're very similar to a toiger, but they come in very different color mutations. They oftentimes grow to be much larger. And as we understand it, they are much gentler and form much closer bonds with their humans than domestic toigers. Well, this has been part 1 of the live kitten birthing process. And here comes the 4th baby. Looks like it's going to be a breech. Amberlyn Jade has this down to a professional level, so I'm not going to intervene, and I'm not going to help her unless she really asks. And I was wrong. That baby came out head first. Perfectly normal, perfectly healthy, and Amberlyn is now pushing the last of him out. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely a boy. When they wobble and squiggle like that, and they're already howling when they're out, they're normally always boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna check back in a little bit later and make a part 2 of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you love it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And may the gods bless and enrich you as well. Thank you again for watching our channel, Cute Toiger Kittens. And be sure to check out the second part of this video.